Hi, this is Pat Smith with Jade Molds. It's lunchtime here, the shop's a little quiet, and I was walking through and I saw a mold I really wanted to talk about. And this particular mold is kind of unique because, one, I don't think there's another offshore shop that could either design, build, test this mold at all. This mold is 100% US mold design to solve a 100% US American problem. The problem is the customer has a very big part. If you look over here, this is one of the cores to this mold. This is a 4-cavity mold. The core is this tall. This is a very big part. Furthermore, if you look over here, you see there's slides on the mold. Big part with big slides. And the problem is my customer only has time on his 390-ton press. So we had to do a lot of things to fit this large 4-cavity mold into his press. Some of the things we did on the hot runner system, we built, used the smallest nozzle possible, but we had to run Moldex 3D on it to verify that you would get the fill characteristics we wanted. It's 1 drop per cavity, 4 drops per part. Worked out fine. And we've already verified that. This mold's had its second shots already. The other thing, to control the mold size, is we couldn't use standard B-side lifters. We had to make these really big A-side lifters, and a lot of Chinese tool shops don't even understand how to build those. So a combination of hot runner and the slides, along with, we had to really optimize our mold plate thickness. We had to do some finite elemental analysis to make sure our mold plates would be good enough, strong enough. We went through that whole process so we could take as much steel out of the mold as possible to hit the stack height for the mold that they needed. I want to talk about this mold again here a little bit because it's a beautiful mold. You take a look at our water lines, our end plugs, our water lines. They're all perfect. There's not some that are recessed in. There's not anything that's crooked. That's because we CNC our water line taps. They're perfect NPT taps. Back to this core. This core doesn't have bubblers running up and down it. Look at, we've only got this much steel to work with. This has 8 full water lines, 4 ins, 4 outs. This is diffusion bonded here. I had made another video about that if you want to find it. But there's a diffusion bond here. You can't even see it. That allows me to have water in, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Full water lines, not bubblers. This core cools really, really well, and it needs to because there's plastic on the inside, there's plastic on the outside. If you had bubblers in this core, it'd be getting way too hot and this mold would run really slow. But this mold, because we diffusion bonded it, it runs really fast. Jump over here to the slide, same type of thing. We use really nice carbon impregnated wear plates, bronze wear plates, carbon impregnated, real nice craftsmanship. You know, just take a look at this. This is a beautiful mold. It's 100% American design. It's solving a problem that your offshore molder wouldn't even understand. He would say, why do you need to fit in a 390-ton press? Just run it over your friend's shop. He's got a 550 or something. They don't understand these problems. They don't understand why you need to squeeze a mold down to fit a certain press. They'd have no idea how to design this mold, how to take this big of a part in 4 cavities with a hot runner and make it fit that press. With Jade's American engineering, Jade's years of experience, we know how to do this. Jade's program management in China to start the mold up because our Chinese guys don't even understand this mold. They do now, but they didn't before. Me, Rob, and Manpreet here, we're the ones teaching them this kind of stuff. So if you'd like to find out more about the Jade Way, get in contact with us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.